How to earn money from Hamster Kombat. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to earn money from Hamster Kombat. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to have a Telegram account. And then after that, after making your Telegram account, what you want to do is just search up for Hamster Kombat in the search bar of Telegram. And then look for this bot right here. It will be displayed in the name that it is a bot. So the name is Hamster Kombat with a K, and then there will be a bot in the name. And then once you've found the Hamster Kombat bot, you'll be greeted by this. And then once you're all ready, just click on start. And then after that, it will greet you with this message. So hello, welcome to Hamster Kombat. You are now the director of a crypto exchange. Which one? You choose. Tap the screen, collect coins, pump your passive income, develop your own income strategy. We'll definitely appreciate your efforts when the token is listed. The dates are coming soon. So don't forget about your friends, bring them to the game and get even more coins together. So once you're done reading that, just click on play in one click and then it will load for a bit. Wait for it to load. Then after that, you'll be redirected here. So I'll just click on that. And then basically what you're gonna do here is just tap until you get many coins as you can. And then what you need to focus on here is your profit per hour, because the more profit you get, the more money you can earn. So yeah, all you have to do is just keep on spamming the click button so that you can earn coins. And then they have boosts right here. So there are free daily boosters and boosters right there that you could use. So there are boosters right here like multi-tap and energy limit. And they also have free daily boosters for full energy. So this lightning icon right here in the bottom left corner is your energy. So when I use the full energy booster, my energy will be filled up again. So I have 6 out of 6 available. So feel free to use that to your advantage. And then right here again, you also have multi-tap and energy limit. Moving on is we have mine right here. So these right here allow you to choose what kind of markets you want to mine in. So basically you can choose anything right here and you can see their profit per hour. So as you can see, the higher the coins, the more profit you get. So if I pay like 11,000 coins, I can get 950 profit per hour. So this one you really don't need to tap if you buy any of these. So basically this just runs in your background, so you're just basically mining on your phone. So feel free to choose which one you like from here depending on your money. Next is the PR team right here. It's just the same thing. Same also goes with legal and specials. So feel free to experiment with those. And then moving on, you can also add friends right here. So when you invite a friend in Hamster Kombat, you will get 5,000 coins for you and your friend. And then if you invite a friend with Telegram Premium, you will gain 25,000 coins. So yeah, you will see your list of friends right here, and then you will also earn coins by inviting friends, and you'll also earn 25,000 coins if you have Telegram Premium. Next is we have earn right here. So these right here, the daily tasks that you can do and some tasks that you can do so that you can earn more coins. So as you can see over here, we have daily rewards. So as you can see, day 1 I can get 500 coins until day 10 where I can earn 5 million coins. Oops. And then moving on, they have some other tasks right here that you can do. So if you join their Telegram channel, you can get 5,000 coins. If you follow their X account or Twitter account, you'll also gain 5,000 coins. If you choose your exchange, you'll also get 5,000 coins. And if you invite 3 friends, you will get 25,000 coins. Moving on right here is we have airdrop. So airdrop tasks. Listing is on its way. So tasks will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. So this coin is not listed yet. So all you have to do now is just wait and earn as many coins as we can. And then once it's listed, we can now sell the coins for money. And then right here, we have a list right here that says connect your TON wallet. So basically what you want to do here is just connect your crypto wallet. So if you don't have one, you can create one in your Telegram account. So feel free to connect your crypto wallet right here. And then once the coin has been dropped, you can now cash out your money here in Hamster Kombat. And then we'll go back to the exchange page right here. So when I click on choose exchange right here, I can choose any crypto wallet that I can choose so that I can exchange my coins. So when I click on choose exchange right here, I have tons of options that I can choose and where I can exchange my coins. So they have Binance, Bybit, and a lot more. So for example, I'll click on Binance right here. So as you can see, I have now signed a contract with Binance. So there you go. So yeah, so feel free to choose what kind of exchange you want, and feel free to choose whatever mining version you want. So feel free to experiment with all of these and earn as much coins as you can. So yeah, those are pretty much the basics on how to use Hamster Kombat in earning money.